Alright guys, hello and welcome. This is Jerry Singh from Crypto Evolution. In this video, we will describe the various methods you can use to buy Bitcoins from anywhere in the world. Now this video is going to be the very first video of a series of videos in which I will be describing various methods and tips and tricks that you can use to buy your altcoins and Bitcoin especially, and how to store them in a very secure way, what are the various websites and tools that you can potentially use, and how to cash out on your cryptocurrencies in the later videos of the series. So stay tuned and let's just jump into the very first website of how you can buy Bitcoin and how you can actually find the various sources from where you can buy Bitcoins by yourself regardless of whichever country you are in. So let's head over to the most important website, most important tool that I'm going to give you. It is something called buybitcoinworldwide.com. All right. So this website is a very good source of where you can find, like I said, various exchanges and various other buying websites where you can potentially use your bank account and credit card and cash and wire transfers to buy your Bitcoin. So all you do is simply go to the website, put the country that you are in. For example, I am in Australia, so I'll click Australia and I'll choose the payment method that I'm using. For example, if I want to use credit card, it'll give me all the popular options that are potentially available and that people can use to buy their Bitcoins. All right. So on an overview basis, regardless of which country you are in, there are certain exchanges that allow, especially this particular one that I'm going to give you, that that accepts most of the countries, and it is as simple as saying Coinbase.com. I'm pretty sure most of the people would have heard about it. So go through the sign up procedure, and I will be providing the links of all these websites below in the description of this video. So make sure you click on that link and you might get some bonuses as well. All right. So Coinbase, go through the sign up procedure. Most of these will ask you for signing. Most of these will ask you for a couple of identity proofs. For example, you might get something like you might have to give something like a photo ID that will be a copy of your passport or a copy of your driver's license, which does have a photographic ID of yours. The second thing would be they will ask you for a proof of address. So in this one, you will have to give a potential utility bill that might be your electricity bill, the bill of your internet provider, of your phone bill, and these are the usually two things. And one thing they might ask you something to write on a piece of paper that you're allowing this particular broker to trade on your behalf, and you'll have to you have to hold your photo ID on the other hand to make sure that you are actually giving them access, and they have to do this to avoid any money laundering charges. All right, so that is number two. And the third one that I personally used or have used in Australia is called Cointree.com. Now, I personally haven't had any issues using Cointree. However, I've seen some people that say that they have had some issues, but again, I personally haven't ever encountered any issues with Cointree. So for me, it has been pretty good, and till date, it has been going on pretty good. All right, now something that is better than Cointree is something called CoinJar.com. Now again, I will be providing the links of all of these within the description, so make sure you click them, and I'll make sure you get some of the bonuses or referral points. So with CoinJar, they do have a very good option of cashing out your Bitcoins. So what they will do, they'll provide you, they have an option of a CoinJar swipe card. And so what they have, when you get into the dashboard, you have two particular options. One is where you can store your Bitcoins. The second one is a cash account. So you can sell your Bitcoin at any time instantly, and they transfer that amount of particular money according to that current rate of Bitcoin into your cash account, and you can use your swipe card. Actually, let me show you my swipe card. So they'll give you your swipe card. So for example, this will be the swipe card. All right, it has CoinJar swipe. It will have your name and it'll have your number. All right, so you can use this swipe card on any other FPOS, and you can just buy stuff, and you can even get cash out from ATMs. All right, so another good one is called coinspot.com.au. Again, these are Australian websites. There are others as well that I will be providing in the description. So the description is going to have a lot of links, so make sure you check it out. So now again with CoinSpot is actually really good because with CoinSpot you can not only buy Bitcoin, but you can also buy a lot of other altcoins, for example. So if you go into the buy sell section, it will give you a list of all the coins that they're currently holding. All right, it doesn't take more than a minute. You can deposit money in your CoinSpot using, they at the time of this recording, they don't have poly payments, and according to Australia, but you can deposit money at any news agency that they potentially offer, and you can deposit money via cash deposit. All right, so again, you can buy all of these currencies. The one thing that I want you to know about CoinSpot is it allows you to buy these currencies, and it allows you to sell these currencies, and it allows you to send these currencies outside of CoinSpot to any other hardware wallet or any other platform of your choice. The only thing that CoinSpot has restriction on is that you cannot send cryptocurrencies from any other platform into CoinSpot. So basically, in layman terms, the CoinSpot does not have a receiving function for anything other than Australian dollars. All right, so I hope that helps. So again, these are the very basics, and I will be listing heaps of other exchanges within the description, so make sure you check out the description. And so again, this was the very first lesson in buying your very first, the most popular cryptocurrencies, which is Bitcoin. Stay tuned for more updates, and I will be giving a lot of tips and tricks which will be very, very useful to you. So thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, good luck, happy trading, trade the plan, plan the trade, and bye for now.